What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you, my people. D and Jabba's at it, you know what I mean? Them kick off wicked. Also, Annie and D go at it, my people. Be a passa, be a something. You see me? I say, Shay get exposed by Sky Diamond. Boy, my people, Dan, you know what I mean? Rosalie, the whole of them turn down pan Shay, my people. See? Also, we have the Lion Man involved in the whole D Jabba situation because Jabba supposed to say him no one D and a bunch of things with people. Yo, I be a passa. See, me don't know if me left out nothing with people, but me have a bunch of things to share with them. Me sure of that. So make we get in with people and maybe add more things as we go along. So make we kick it off.
A big friend from Uno. Some like fuck she come over here start come disrespect blood clot me. I come talk about what you have. What the fuck she blood clot have? The nasty no blood clot for woman. And she have to go suck what Pops YG cocky. Forget a hype. And she have to go suck blood clot Pops YG cocky if you go get a hype blood clot. Pussy you can't chat to me. Because I watch your 3 sex tape them girl. 3 blood clot sex tape me watch for you. So you know better than blood clot me. Cause no for una whore out here on the blood clot net. Big old blood clot whore. You get me? Una go like una smaddy. A unu man? None of you so can't tell me nothing. Cause the girl in a blood clot this me. You know much of time they this me? You know much of time the blood clot this me? Just to get a hype? Just to get a blood clot hype? Eh? That girl was suck off Pops YG cocky thinking more Pops YG just to get a blood clot hype, girl. Eh? You have to move on from one way to the next. That's why Jaden refuse your blood clot. Jelani refuse your blood clot and go look pussy out the road. Jelani fuck pan you in your same house where you're there. For sure you say all of the body where you do and pussy where you do. The man still go fuck pan you. And that me a blood clot tell you. So I don't know who your blood clot play with. I don't know. I'm afraid I don't know this stuff. A million blood clot Annie. A million blood clot Annie. No girl can ramp with me. Oh. Fuck ya come with a run come over here so bitch. What you feel like? Eh? You know out there put out sex tape. You know do all different type of things to get views and hype. Fuck you come over here so come chat about call my phone. Of course it's blood clot nasty girl call my blood clot phone. Eh? You ring my blood clot phone. Recently you call my blood clot phone. You're nastiest blood clot girl me ever see in a dolly. In a blood clot dolly. Yeah, come here so come talk about what you have, what your blood clot have. What you blood clot have because you're mad over blood clot, Jelani. All you try to blood clot, you're mad over the blood clot, man. The man fuck pan you and beat your bumbo clot like a butter blood clot bread. And what you talk about? Jelani butt out your blood clot, girl. How you? You no use? You no go like me afraid of them dirty people here, so. Them your people here, so me know say, well, I'm not hypocrite. So me now go make no blood clot come tell me no girl now come diss me. I want to you. When your man beat you and butter you like a punching blood clot bag. Fuck pa you in your same blood clot house with your friend, girl. Eh? You tell me say your pussy good. Your pussy blood clot good. Your man fuck pa you in the same blood clot house. Where your blood clot they drunk crow. Eh? You're nasty no blood clot. You're nastiest blood clot girl me ever see. And you go like you're good blood clot smaddy you're good as. Eh? Where Pops YG come in and your blood clot throat drunk crow. Fuck you, fuck yourself with me dirty thinking orange girl. Eh? At least me a whore. You a private whore. Somewhere you try for blood clot hide. But you go leak blood clot video. Leak blood clot video where? Eh? But somebody go leak video for you. Pan you. And I threaten you. The other time I you see you when you go leak your blood clot video. Go suck your mother. And when the rest of the followers them, you go suck on your mother too. Like me care. Fucking out of order. No fuck you. You see all you bumbo clad long mouth blood clot channel? You see you meet hey Jagger. Hey, call Jagger, you know, cause you see that girl here mix up, you know. That blood clot long mouth, train mouth girl here mix up, you know. I mean, over here so peaceful, you know. And this long mouth blood clot girl come like a London Bridge. Go invite this blood clot, big pussy blood clot girl, this nasty bumbo clot girl for my life, you know. I'm in a trouble nobody, you know. I'm talking about what do you have? Everything me come in your place, me buy it. Wait them. Everything me come in your blood clot place, me buy it. Girl, me love me car. Me love me car. Chanel too fucking enough. She too enough. Me love me car. Me love my blood clot car. Me love my blood clot car. My first car. And me love me car. Me don't give a fuck when nobody want to say. Me love me car. Me love me car. Me love my 1980, 45 and 10 car. Yeah. Me car we born 1945. Me love me car. Me love me car. Out of Adam Bright. Yeah, me Jabas say. Yeah, me a Jabas bestie. Fucking bright.
Alright, my people, me not talk too long on that one here, cause me a race against time. Me have something to deal with what me have to go to this, is me. So make me know how to think. We watch some more.
And feisty. Eh? This girl always do suck a problem. Like me didn't look problem from this blood clot. Me don't know if it's a call and me avoid. Me tell you, 1 month me I take off a cussing, you know. Me this squad there say we say we I take a vacation off a cussing. Done with it. Me no want, you know, me no them come with them problem, you know. Cause no my bumbuck. Hey, big mouth blood clot Chanel. Yeah, hey, come. You need to go watch it. Come. Yeah, pack you up. Where call him? Aki walk. Go call Jagger.
Yeah, ready, man.
Yeah, man, yard, man. And when the cussing start, you sit down there looking like you know do nothing, you know. Me bombat. No, sir, me never see this in my life yet. God, guys, me don't know if me piss in a churchyard. Me feel like me piss in a churchyard. I swear to God. It call like me take a doodoo in a churchyard. It call like me shit in a churchyard. I swear, me over here say, you know, and me cold. Me no bother cold again. And me there say me cold. Me no bother cold again. Me there say me talk to me people. Them me and the Peeny Winky. And me and the Peeny Winky, them a whole a reasoning, you know. And one of them a sing one song to me, said, I take you to the candy shop. And me a go lick you like a lollipop. Because me not no man. And me there relax myself. And next all of this come for me. Me no bother cold again. Not at all. Me can't run me from problem. Everywhere me go problem find me. Oh, Mr. Salt. No, sir. Me need to go wash off. Blue and lime and onion. And garlic. Garlic too? So like I go cook my body. What on there? Blue and lime. Yeah. Too much. Can't bother. Me can't bother, man. It's too much, man. Jesus Christ. Hey, Jabba's China can't nobody over here, you know, cause me a run tonight, you know. Me a run your front. Anybody come over here tonight, me a run. You know, go and go listen to it mix up. And me a beg you, no come over here with it. Leave me alone. Cause I did 9 people over here. 9. I mean, I have a problem. Who business if they come? My business with blood clot D. My business with blood clot D. You think a one by one you go up the hill? A one girl a blood clot take her on here. Oh. I might have take my blood clot 1945 car and run over a blood clot foot. I want tough blood clot car that still, you know. Why we run my blood clot 1945 car over her foot? Oh, a tough car that. So you tell no fucking blood clot self with me. Oh, think I one by one me a cope there, you think me a fling the big stone? Eh? And me old car and me old jalopy me a run over and blood clot too. That me a tell him better move in fast body before he bust. Oh. But one by one. Go me away. I'm so fucking fat, bro. And I couldn't buy barbecue, me. I like this. Well, that's my dear, sir. After you can't drive, and the girl, that's why you never turn up in a way. I'm saying, that's why after you can't drive, and the girl don't turn up in a way. If me can't drive, bitch, move out the way. Move, bitch. You fuck, you will get licked. You have sense? You have sense? Yeah, you walk. You better with him. Alright guys, no cause you know go on. I could go back to with 9 people then please. I know found a girl in my comment section a problem when I look. Don't send me no request. Okay, do not send me no request. No send me no request unless you not go buy me a bedhead. A problem when I look when I come try to cut people business for on the head. And you didn't fuck or suck. One team blue. You say if you come up here, so unless you come buy me a bedded right now, because right now look at me want a bedded and the door where me asleep and me want a blood clot bed. But I need a bed. Hey girl, go suck your mother. Moderator black that one day. Yeah. So now come up here so come feel like you want come take up nobody problem, bitch. Don't feel like you want come up here so big old girl. Cause you run up and down in my comment section too fucking much. Yeah. Me no know you and me no like you. So you can imagine if me see you in a real life. Imagine.
Hey, my people, wanna tell me about the idea you seen? Like how Jabba's having place when he keep him party and them something there. Me feel like say him need put on a match between D and Annie. And remember me tell you say that to the sell off. Remember that. So you can tag him in that one or just tell him in a DM or somewhere say yo put on a boxing match with Annie and D have to sell off.
Huh? Yeah man. If you have viewers, you stay as the viewers. That me I tell you.
That's why woman a crash out, bad man a go out with himself.
Dear.
So
Let's
listen up.
never say how you eat nice too.
I saw him say me eat pussy. He said me I don't fucking about me eat pussy and he play my battle.
Hello. I like me in that part.
He never say about it when I comment section, but the comment section say he say why in my face. Diamond.
Diamond. Move your blood clot because Chaba should have poisoned you too.
Yo man, no man. Look at him. Diamond when woman look good man, you look them in a certain thing go.
Me dear. So all you never tell me say you have the number that text. Look boy, your woman go say me carry on a Chaba, go look woman.
Yo, monster me in a car. Me in a car, Diamond. Here woman. You bumbo clock you was a car on my phone, so man. So me I say who you talk. You say me not tell you, can me tell you, maybe I go
I lie to you tell, I lie that. That I like a man so no call on girl phone. That I lie. You can't tell me in your face.
Bad man, I see him, I tell him. I say, yo, him and I can't call. I say, oh.
I lie.
And then he start show me message there. But I say, I saw monster go and that's what I say. When me see monster, me tell monster right eye front eye club, me say, monster, careful where you text and say, because woman show a fucking message and me see everything. Ask him.
My dear. Monster, you have to go talk to babes about that. My dear.
When me I tell you, when me a lie, man, the man don't tell us, me tell him, and the man that takes the blood clot, woman.
So Chabas, I don't know something I go on and me call I say Chabas. No me a monster come was really me a monster.
No, listen up, because I have no problem with monster, bro.
So they put make a monster come in a bangarang.
No, I know that serious, bro. Me have a problem with monster, bro.
When I come here, so Jabba could kill me to the party.
Yo, I fuck with you, chat bad, man. Look at
Jabas to kill you. I know say Jabas blood clot fuck. You love you too sexy, and you too looking blood.
We are talking about sexy with what? We are talking about. We are talking about.
I know me have to argue that with babes. I know me.
I'm here.
Me dear.
Look at it. Listen what I said, bro. If woman just alright, look at it. Look. You see, man, don't know how chat. I try to turn everything like I said. Me did that.
Today, no, Mr. Jabas, man.
I'm talk today. So I laugh at him, bro. I just rupture him.
Jabas didn't feel away. Me just hear you know. Come here.
Listen what me I say.
Why Jabas me making man?
Two men in an argument. Him try pull people. We know them style and them clothes. Nobody can use them craft upon me. Them try pull people in it, bro. He might try pull people in here, bro. If you go for blood clot, vice note, and this away, how him bunny blood clot friend them.
Follow the line.
If me fit draw for vice note, diamond. If me fit draw for vice note, when my DC friend them, and bad man friend them over New Jelly with their blood clot by. Over here, so good again.
Chabas, come here. Say you say, Chabas, you look like me now keep. Are you sell Annie the you couldn't tell me say they sell Adi, but you say Adi, I'm a dream car.
I never know. There's more that sell you.
Dear, I'm a way want Adi.
I told the reward I'm going to give me Adi instead.
Oh, dear.
Yeah.
I know me not cussing the them, man. Can't me a cussing no say I'm here on the family life.
You don't look good still now because I want to but me never prank like me, I tell you never prank.
Damn, you are going on. Me in my bed and me asleep all day because me a rest up, I'm tired. When me look, me see BS live a share, screen recorder come to me, bro. Cause bro, me not sit down and scroll up on TikTok. When me look, me go over there, me see. You want me to talking over there?
Banana. You see him there, you get banana, me get banana too, you know.
Yeah. So me I say, brother, when they sit up on me name, I do, bro, like say. Why me the hot topic, I me not go live how much day now? How much day me not go? So, me text me say, bad man, me say, open the fire starter, can manage you, know, me say, go suck out your mama, man, and come off of my name. And that me text him and tell him. In the bar life now. The bar life now.
Silent. You're little bit and deadly. Oh.
Just go on, man. I don't know where you met. Me know where you are there, met, you know. So you stay in the shots.
Man, I'm going to take some phone and call on phone. Me dear. That's you did well. We're going to Chabas stop here. We want to see the.
You will want to go to Chabas?
Yeah.
What time? I'm going to say the before that.
Love.
Well, we don't be doing that part of them about. The way I say is that say. I like, look at I
the club. Listen, people. Jabas the one give it all the kind of Jabas the one man drink nothing. Here Jabas to me. Hey girl, where they go back to the money for? Come to me, hear me your Jabas they take too long with liquor. Call on Jabas not dealing with so.
Oh yeah, the monster. Me see me away pound up with no order. Me see Diamond gonna bar. Me say we are going to take up money at bar boy. Me say 101. Monster say him don't know where you want because Diamond not tell him where you want yet. Me say get to Diamond now, no bro.
It might be say me want a message, she want fix, but a problem that I tell the time. Somebody say, you know, but Diamond the last time. You see me now?
So I so come me walk now because Diamond gonna bar. Me say me go to cuss him. Me say we have to take out money for.
Someone's class. Me don't got the bar.
Me say we have to take out money for. 101, tell me 101.
Worries.
Diamond, look at that with D now, man.
We are talking like that with D. Me? Me? Me feel like that with D. You're too looking you text you have your woman. You're too make yourself blood clot. You think that you texty. What are you like some people?
Yes.
In the dance.
Yours to that one. Man study one piece. Man study one piece of
Chabas. Because you know. He knows that things they go turn pan in blood clot and cause if pick up female, you know. What me nah bother? Come in and know some boy I text down.
Here we girl want enemy girl want bill.
No,
that me? If me feel say.
Damn, you're too jealous, man. Calm down.
No, like that.
No, again. But if he went, if we go take man some true now, would have eat the and cuss her.
For what?
Man style like girl, I tell you.
Man, with your big mouth, boy, now. Come about me. I only open a woman take on a blood clot tonight video. Don't call me when worries in your ears. Come in here.
Now, man, this is the one reach for a long time, man. This is the one reach for
Boy here, Monster. You Monster for what? When you Monster for? Me and you the girl.
Then Monster, you never know the Chabas and go come back and say.
I mean, Jabas, you know, if you never know what Jabas, I mean,
You never tell me, say, yeah, text the Jabas a reason about the.
I mean, tell him if you know when my text the guy, my show back message, I protect you.
But Monster tell me everything when you tell me that part.
I mean, tell him if you know when my text because my show back people. I mean, tell him.
A Monster love text and write paragraph, you know.
You know not about me, but sometimes about no paragraph. I am by man and good morning and them something.
Now you tell. Worries in the dance car. You tell me said you cute and pretty. You did one piece of D.
When me tell you that? When?
Don't keep boy to tell me see you see D down and one dance another Chabas dance you go. And if I saw the nice than real life.
Exactly.
Mr. Man said that fuck. Mr. Man said that fuck D. I just said Diamond but I will be no you stay. I like that.
What's that? That was that, Bobby. I want to fly the boat. Yo, that way easy, you know.
Murderation, moderation, all kind of ration. But man say then the other the mix up undercover.
I know it's mixed up and I was kind of come. You know that fly and D live.
What's up for your job for my Chabas them ends, you know, I done it.
Hey, my people, as me say, me I run through that one quick and fast, but let me tell you something, man. Never you cuss with a woman or break up with a woman certain way. I don't expect say them are going to bring you down in the wickedest way and tell a bag of lie upon you. You see, the people them will believe everything a woman say after them and a man break up, them the people them like the man from a long time. Remember me tell you, cause we all know how woman stay. Because what some more?
Mr. Diamond, I cruise. Come on, them start them fuckery first to do. So you see when they start though, they don't matter how tell me say, oh,
Chabas this. That's what Chabas hate me. Because Chabas hear me the cause say, me dream car is a Hardy. And Chabas have Hardy and sell me. Me dear.
Alright, hold on there now. Hold on there now. And it can cost Diamond, man. Hold on.
I comment that.
Cost me.
Sure right first, Diamond. Sure right first.
I'm sure that first. Come and show me George back and front. Come in. And it can't cost me. Comment section, I had to now listen to comment section.
Hold on there.
Yeah, leave the people in care.
What kind of care me say? Me say Chabas not like me because remember Chabas me cost I say Hardy and me dream car. Chabas could have sell me.
Who buy the Hardy?
Go talk about the way the blood clot text and look. Chabas should have pies you.
No say so.
Don't worry about me, don't worry about the Hardy.
What was the price when I see liquor again?
No, me not get said liquor. I drag on me drink. Remember me not drink no rum. I drag on me drink.
Seal liquor, listen, what you learn? Seal liquor,
I drag on me drink. And that's why when you Chabas come and tense so. And you in the one night I watch D, you dirty blood clot.
This sounds serious, Diamond. This sounds serious.
No, Diamond try pressure me because you know, my woman try, you see me? You know, my woman, my girlfriend, try pressure me there if you feel
no,
like, you know?
No, because I don't want the woman go say, I'm carry down there. You're not left me no bangaran. He say, Chabas, this say, when you hear that monster can't in front of answer because you tell him say, any oil you ever see with monster.
Me? Are you mad? Are you mad? Bro, when me there night dance, bad man, I cuss them, I cuss me, say me distance. Them I cuss me, say me distance, bro. And uno did I see, bro? Uno see me over there, hitch up. More than me going to admire them live and the rest of them live, I go and show up myself. Me no go over there, bro.
But Chabas, you didn't like the idea suck out on all these things. So why come down to this now?
Prank.
So I saw the prank and kiss woman and know if woman have
yes. It's like a movie. It's like a movie.
So man start prank, you prank and text me.
Yes, eh?
I prank, you prank. Yeah. So then Chabas, that's the food prank. Hey, women are chat to your big boy wife. That's chat and move your blood.
And is all a friend, nothing more.
That's how the prank and kiss in a real life.
Yeah, listen up. The only problem I have with that Diamond is that say he love excitement and then look thing. And I might style him then.
But a nice girl do a pretty
yes. Yes, so that's how I'm telling you, bro. That's how I'm telling you, bro, you're not going to work
Me
out,
I
bro.
say Chabas. Me I say no look good for you come cuss him over here cause him man love bring him down.
I tell me not cuss him.
Me
You hear me
not
cuss him? Me not cuss him. Diamond, if me cuss him right now, me say I've got disgrace they call up on me.
Nobody follow our Chabas cause now go look good.
You think I hear that?
People them want.
That's why me not pay him no mind because if me start pan him, bro, man, tell you. So me just allow him.
Come here Chabas, the girl say you eat good.
Say me do what?
Say you eat good your penis liquor so.
Me supposed to eat good.
But for me, you know, Chabas, see the team here, you know. A little penis, me a different, you know. Fuck with suck breast and me tickle me cook, me a different for our days stay. So me not going to burn out that. Me not going to burn out that part because me a different for our days.
And that make him happy, you know. You see clothes that make him happy. I think like the clothes.
But me not see Chabas, D, me not go back over there and say, D, calm down. For me not see Chabas a go on bad.
Bad man, me say, me head no cheap yet, Diamond. Me just allow them in the man do.
Really and truly, Chabas not really go. But
Listen
Chabas,
up.
why let this up somebody buy snow to Chabas?
They have, listen up, listen, Mr. Diamond. They want to look a cloud. That's the plan. They say summer now, they want to look a cloud. When me come and I give them the cloud what they want, they might play a victim.
But Chabas, me hear the vice note where you're classy, me hear that one day.
I saw me deal with him for advice now. Me not compare like what cuss him. Me cuss him.
No,
In
never
advice now.
see. You have to say that somebody else say when King went play.
What you mean? What you mean? Then what you mean? That me I'm not there, bro. And he not listen, I push up himself by me, bro. And I teach him and he not learn. That he don't know if a prank, you know. He want to left up a prank, turn it to reality and say, walk.
So Chabas, but you and the fuck with you, so that a prank too, so no fuck prank.
No, you see, apart of no, Diamond, apart of no, watch master.
Watch monster. Yeah, go on, man. You want?
Look here. Look here now. Make them go on until they chip bait bad. Because listen up. I clout me configure them when them look, you know, because in time I start, you know. Remember so when me start, I'm alone upon my life when me start, you know.
I saw me a cuss. Chabas say me a cuss, me no care crowd neither, you know.
Good. So you make them go and push the button, man. Me just go and calm see till they really reach one point where me say, alright, them pussy clap. Come me go no one really want.
Chabas lie like no show. Listen to me now. The whole we know say me a own and the whole we know say they are Chabas fuck. But three they get serious, them say a prank. We all know that.
They don't know if the people have
I
heard that.
texty, blood clot, me not talk to you. You text too much you have, woman. That's the one that can be trusted. The one that can take a sentence better than look Chabas, woman.
So people, it look like say a Jabba scratch with D, why them mash up. Yo, them say hell at no fury than a woman's scorn and none lie them a tell. You see me, I say make what's up more.
People. How many babes whenever people? Must hold it so.
Eh?
How many people them just stay so? And hold it so.
Oh, when what?
Yeah, you have your people them just go so. And hold it so.
What me I do? What me I do?
Eh? Yeah, be a clout, you clout me. Yeah, pressure me.
Clot you.
What?
This, that,
Big
that.
monster. Come and come to defend you.
But they buy my life, man. Go and play some
You
music.
must be coming to the war to defend you. I'm dead, right? That's what Chabas kill you, right? That's some of the text. The can't say me dead.
I want
You
one.
get D say that already. D say that here already. Before Jabba come say, then I text.
I never hear that.
I'm so good, man. Go and play some music in the club. I'm so forward.
Never hear that. Chabas today is our Wednesday. So Chabas enhancer come Friday.
Yeah, enhance and right me got you. Right me
I
got
said I am wicked. Enhance say no about the show. Me not call it enhance. And he say no about the show. Get terrible stuff.
you come like you lick your fucking head. You lick your head?
Are you lick your head? Come can blood clots and a vice note now.
You lick your head?
Are you lick for your head?
Alright, Friday you will see them.
Alright. Cause remember say me Chabas remember say me own all like artists.
Damn, are you the artist that you come to that for?
Me not chat to your movie.
No man, you be talk, bro.
You
You
love
be talking in the must see.
Anything I want to tell Chabas, I tell him, I saw me see you, don't give me what me give him back. I chat too much.
You say your body, my body supposed to lick up. My body supposed to lick up. My body supposed, I want to take out more than show.
My body I keep right now.
I want to take out, I want to take out more than show.
Look about it can't keep. Well, yeah,
Body I keep,
really say.
You want me to take out my pigtail and show?
That's really say what about the screen, sir.
What have you do with me? You ain't
Look
there.
about it, really say that.
A little body I keep
Me
right
can't take out more than show, you know. I make them banner page, you know. Me can go watch one blues and make it stiff up and put in ice cream, you know.
I show them Chabas.
Yeah, man.
But
Me
Chabas, Chabas your business. You don't see Leon Bailey come out with him blood clot, pick up and tell about bossy place.
Alright, all you do chat, you know, tell him something say. Go and push the button. And then when time me come out here, look calm area.
I go listen to
in our era.
Dean. Take it easy, come in, see Chabas I go hard, so take it easy.
Me say, just tell him say, me say. Go on until me come out here, look calm see ya. And then me show him what I can strike. And then if you know what I say me a this and me a that, you can say me a this and me a that.
You know what? I mean, Chabas. I have fun and joke as time. I don't want to reach us still so deep. You better chill. I don't want to really reach us.
So, no go on. Just tell him to keep going, man. Tell him to don't stop.
Every man with the up can come bring down these so because they have pretty nice, y'all.
So just tell him, all you man, when I want them to fuck him, is that little fuck puppet down there. Then they go to him body and put him in a house.
Look at the bird. Yeah, look at the bird. What? We hear him.
Oh, but you hear him? But me, I will never go to prison.
And come back.
I will never go to prison.
When me go to jail.
That no one know when I go to prison.
So, you know, make them go on. Make them go on, man. Because listen, this is just a little warm up, you know. Tomorrow, a different segment, you know. Because tomorrow, we just put everything on one phone.
And the Chabas, me don't really want to reach us, so me tell you the truth. Okay, hold on, me alright. Me don't want to reach us, so me won't go back there, go tell these.
Damn, I mean, I go with D, you know. I'm man, them come find. Listen, no, I'm man, them really come far. I'm a pop one, and them me come find. I'm really come board, you know. So they can't come and start trying to using the Minecraft. Them with it. Me not look for a sheep, bro.
But Chabas, how Pops get involved, Diamond?
At any time, Pops, a piece of power, the
Diamond, let me tell you what one monster.
I like Pops, you know. Me don't like Pops.
Monster, let me tell you what one monster. Let me tell you what one. 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 The man I make one little video put in foot in a car and say Jabba so go man, no. Me no answer you. When me look see man I come on video call, if I lie, I think God kill me. I come on video call, I send him a verse, I say, batty boy, stop calling me phone, I get on video call me. Brother, me know the part that we don't need. See, you man over there, I say, brother, look now. Since that link, I say, bro, I know the part no more joking with that. Stop calling me name and stop your whole of a clothing. You man say, yo, what's up, my dog? When you go answer back, but you know I fuck around. Me nah fuck around with your car. When time I start, you don't take it personal, then you start complaining. You start complaining to man, you start complaining to police, you start complaining to every blood clot but they try to sabotage me. So me now argument with Uno. Cause last time look at last time
you swear to get mad for your mouth and no filter. I don't really why you dig.
All you see my go on there. If this a bring a chip, if everybody in the comment section turn against me, I say no.
Look good and D now go can't manage journal because D go bad.
So me just load them, bro. Me just make you have a moment. Me just make you have a moment. Me just make you have a moment, bro. Because listen up, you not put nothing in their pocket, bro. If you remember, say carry engine one fix, and if you go play so much, you try to get the money to fix the engine. And I think you
man here they make a piece of money. You couldn't fix the engine, Chabas.
He never asks.
Say, I know me can't believe say so Chabas hate me. Chabas hear me over here the talk say, the boy done me money and me want an Hardy and Chabas will sell me the Hardy. What they tell you?
Yeah, she come out. I say, yo, I want woman take care of this. Say,
take on me. Take on me.
So Chabas I want the Hardy. I don't put Hardy.
I say, I want two care them, you know.
Nice Hardy, nice Hardy.
I don't put Hardy seller.
Nice Hardy. Only thing about the hard is maybe because they must say year 2005 they have a problem with that, bro. But you not get a problem. You say I eat at them. A bad man they have that them, bro.
But with a 2005 and that you can't carry from point A to point B. At least.
Diamond.
But at least only get the hardy.
People, one thing we can tell you, say, see, me don't feel like say Jabas have no ill will when he must sell any vehicle or whatever. You see me I say, because me know say Jabas check for any. But me tell you something, as a person who just starting a life and you buy your first vehicle, you better you buy one Corolla. You see me I say, Corolla parts easy to get and then cheap. You see when the price lick any for parts for that the vehicle then, bet you say you want to sell it quick and fast. Watch and see.
I mean there all long I make money about me and me still not get hardy.
Diamond. All me I tell them say listen. Make the lion go and sleep.
Chabas the people say 1990 get hardy yourself. No Chabas could have no hardy so all.
Yo.
We all know Jaden standard. We don't visit Jaden. Anything Jaden was say Jaden go over there go say. Me not look at Jaden. Jaden them in a film look era making go and calm down. Listen what me I say now. The official. All me simple tell you is that say listen. This thing and not gonna work out. Me don't want to go no further more and done. Me never disrespect you. And you take your know what say me a manipulate and me style and
our cast analyst make like click and sit tonight.
bro, I said them on a live over there fuck around me piece. And people are sending me screen record them and send me live them, bro. And I say, how what happen now? Me go over there go look me see pussy all them over the palm name. I say, watch out. So I say, alright then, they want a piece of clothes. So me go give them. When me turn on me live now, and me I give them clothes. Me I give them what they want. A problem. Remember enough. Me never get up and trouble them in the bro.
Pops, you see Pops? Me not be there a long time and they have been crowd.
How if you play with girl feelings? How if you play with one female feelings when me I tell her say, in our work, me no want a relationship, so I better I done, me cannot lead you on. So how me get blamed for that? So I better me continue and lead her on then. Eh? Man, no go for yourself.
One thing say me go a relationship. You know have a man.
You know.
So you and him could have a relationship. You know you go cut and fuck and just go about to the ways.
Me say him no. Listen up. When him a talk about vice note in the diamond, I true me no want he look stupid or him man, his husband shame because his husband plan to shame and style him. His husband that was king to style him. So me go some boom now.
Style nobody. Yeah.
No listen now, so me go some boom now. Send back some vice note to make him thing look good bad man. Cause I some bro, me not like shame people, you know bro.
But these are nice girl, you know.
Sexy man go suck out your mama big stinking girl. Go near out your mama sexy man. Go near out your stinking mama girl. And come out for a big stinking girl. Mind your blood clot business, you chat too much. Go suck out, moderate a black sexy male man with the big badge there. Go suck out your mama girl. Go jump down in your mama head with your broken nose.
Man said Chaba spacey bad, you know. That's why we don't want.
That's why we don't want to follow.
That's why we don't want this.
No, listen up. Listen up. Me now follow D because me say if me follow D, in a one with this a grand for. Because I hope different people are getting involved.
Yeah, me no want to reach.
So when if he say him delete, when if he say delete, you don't have to forward to this.
I say you coach Jabba.
Yeah man, come in on it and. Anyone me know say you is a media girl we love chat for media, you can't know nothing about me. And even if me so pussy me now knee and feel, because I know you go talk back. And anything me have in a closet, me now make you know I now do nothing with you because you now come talk back for me. Me too sensible, bro. Me have too much craft, bro. Me run too much romance to make you that trick me. Me go to college for 6 months straight. 3 months straight, romance. So no now look a pussy will lead that fire, so can't fool this a boy.
Dear man, somebody when you text the phone and tell life for you, my dear.
I'm going to text that.
Me look funny, man. Me tell him, say, bro, mind where you text and say because he might show back things. Ask him, if me not tell him right in front of me, club door.
So all of it something they out and do attack, you know, to say to me, say, Diamond, me and Chaba say reason about the, you know.
I'm going to tell you that for you, just a minute there. I'm going to tell you that for me. I don't reason.
Oh, you went to me, see, you see the idea look good and nice and pretty in a real life. You went if you tell me that.
What you mean by why me go tell him that? What you mean by why me go tell him that? You see, if me never tell him that now, this man would have believed when she come with that tell lie about me.
And then, man said that cabinet text and then when show them go on, man said would have
D, watch out. D can't cuss my baby mother because my baby mother top class with D. My baby mother top class with D. My baby mother low mileage. My baby mother no muck out and fuck out and suck out and done out. Diamond, me I go mute to them. My blood clot, baby mother, top blood clot, girl, nice, clean, smell good, bumbo clot, girl, for the. My baby mother no rev out and one bag of blood clot, man, for her mileage. My baby mother no run up to with media all bout and fling up them blood clot cell. They go and suck out the deepest part of your big stinking woman pussy. You can't diss my baby mother do your big stinking girl, D. You can big old thinking, D. You can blood clot style my blood clot, baby mother, big stinking dead old girl. When no man no one can with a big church out to a big stinking girl. You can't stand my baby mother. Diamond, come on for you. Come on for you, master.
now move here.
You can blood class time my baby mother know the big stinking warring girl. Miss Bumbleclad hit round, flick round the every Bumbleclad. You can't this my baby mother not here. You see my baby mother walk and mix family that I rough run from man to blood clot man here. You can't this my baby mother my clean nice Bumbleclad me baby mother with her one blood clot picnic. Dash with Bumbleclad got the. You can't style my Bumbleclad baby mother not here. Hey girl, don't ramp with me no. Don't ramp with me no bitch. You can't style my baby mother not here. You can't style my baby mother no one Bumbleclad that today I'm dead. And me tell Pops that, me say big batty boy Pops, you can't use no girl and try call up my name. Me say me baby mother alone, me can use and get to me, can baby mother me real genuinely blood clot love. I want no big stinking girl, can this my baby mother know we have blood clot, you hear? This my baby mother bounce round, this no man can pipe on him and call up in him. You see me no mix up, you see the pan live a ball, you see me go through no stress. Yeah, you can style my blood clot baby mother girl. Just know we have blood clot, you hear? Oh. But me chat to your baby blood clot mother. Me can chat to my baby mother. Hey girl, all if me tell you about one different woman, you can't say me tell you about my baby mother. You idea? You like it? My baby mother a queen with her crown. And any man get me baby mother after me get one good blood clot, girl. You learn that. Any boy get me baby mother after me get one good blood clot queen. Oh. So when you talk, we attack, you don't come for my baby mother, no time. No time. One nice clean daughter. You learn blood clot that. Oh, and more than 15, 20 man can pipe and blood clot you. Okay, any blood clot girl you see, them a man blood clot there. And when you look you see them a man cut off, you see them gone. They find one new man by tomorrow, bro. You're not no class, bro. You're not no class, bro. You're not no blood clot class. There's no one I do here. Oh. Oh, blood clot, baby mother. You don't get bright, you know. Don't get bright, you know. You see me baby mother haul run or fling run or throw down there, so. I run back at people. I run back at blood clot, man. I hitch up with man. I flirty and flingy all about. No, yeah, yeah. Oh.
Sometimes you chat them a liar in a job as car. Here the people must say she never said.
Not even, no boy on the app. No boy. I'm more than 2, 3, 4 man can run with the name on the app. You see me run with the name on the name.
The people, them say when a good girl gone bad, them gone forever. Right now, the in our bad girl stage, our era, me I tell you that. You see me I say, they are the road. They are the road right now because the earth. You see me I say, we could watch someone.
Maybe a man stay in our castle. And me force her to come on YouTube. And if I YouTube done, you see her back, you hear back from her, you see her, she don't want to look at by herself and to fear her life. You know see that? Them, they are woman.
Monster, she didn't say that.
People must say she never said no for your baby mother. You chat a liar, you know, youth.
But when me say no lie.
Chavas get cheap. Well, any man me have when I defend me like Chavas, you know, want them.
You just
Don't want them.
So you just cheap also.
Bad man, look at him. Me hear
Man,
listen, me hear he say. Me hear what I might hear him talk about home. Me know what I'm telling about how me chat me baby mother with him. A big girl, you know where I chat say man. You know where I chat say. Oh. And we can proud this of your blood clot when you come on to that come in one lie blood clot here.
You see say prank no work out, can go turn in reality and you go get snapped.
Me tell the woman say, listen bro. Alright. You don't know say me wrong. What me should I do? Me should I continue and lead her on or raid. That me should I continue do. Me should tell him say bad man, what you coming on a relationship, you know. Cause me definitely
can't. Said no says that woman that come out of earthing process. So if you know in yourself, you know what I say, no make no sense the way really go on with it.
No, listen, me say Diamond, what I say is right there, but when I say Diamond is that say bro, and nobody say if you go bro, you never go there so you want to put it there. Me have every message, bro, me have every message, bro. I try to tell like them, but me come and fling
but
message.
But if you're nice and charming, so you would have fall for me, you should say that to her.
So listen, bro, I chew, bro, listen up, me now go come here, so go put up nose. Vice note and everything, bro. Me have everything. I have anything in delete.
No, right now, I look at Chabas. And if you get that, nobody go so far.
No, me tell you, me not go do it, bro. You see me, I say, bro, me not go do it, bro. But listen up, them people are them want you to sit down and woman figure some boom now and come and chat at them out. Put in a one spot and go on like I say, yo. You have to sit down and go on like say everything with them and say a true, bro. Me not go do that, bro.
Oh, but right, in the people. We know such Chabas face, D-talk face, I say Chabas, I mean pussy. Chabas could have go far. But me not want Chabas go so far.
Alright, I'm in a ray. You see me? I'm in a ray, bro. Because, alright, go out with yourself.
Chabas, no.
They see, me not busy for you, they see. They see, me never want you to feel like me from morning, they see.
Chabas, me never want you to feel like me. Chabas, we make girl afraid and feel like I see you go straight towards everybody and put up vice notes. So sometimes you have to think.
Diamond, first thing me not look nobody, you know.
We know about you know.
I'm money me I look in Diamond. Diamond, money me I look in, so I'm busy about no blood clot, girl, you know. My days I run up and down with one bag of blood clot, girl, done long time in the Diamond. Me not look no blood clot, girl, in the Diamond. Here, I'm your biggest waste man. No girl can listen for you, I'm sit down a lot more. So no matter, I'm your biggest waste man.
Why you can't? Cause Dino come see you suck out in tongue, so me don't know where.
Me never tell you, I this me no Diamond. I hold me no Diamond. So all them a play vice note.
Chabas, me a play fear. Me not see you this him. I'm a kill.
All them a play vice note, bad man. If me play vice note.
But if they are gonna play vice note,
where is it the dance? That tell me that. Make him go on, man. Make him enjoy himself.
No,
Chabas, not for them.
I may tell you, so make him go on with himself, bro. Me not repeal no mind, but listen up.
What's come out, Pops?
Listen up. Me say me not go with Pops, because when Pops them take Mali man, fuck them bottom. So me no argument with them. When time in done at Ochi, and they pop them Mali and they turn in that a beer man, I run up and down in the battle. So me not really, you know, argument with Pops. Because Pops link me say one cloud. I link with them say one thing. So if you come live and go answer me, remember him tell me that, you know.
Oh, so I'm planning things that I'm
Alright, hold on. Hold on. You don't believe me?
I don't know, ask me.
Alright, hold
Hold on, man, sir, hold on.
Then what I said, I'm planning thing there? Jesus Christ. No, I'm not trying to leave my blood clot.
Master, I'm plugging back a phone right now. I'm going to run some vice to no show.
Jesus Christ.
That's a go for your shades. Go for your shades.
Move your blood clot. You fucking top out your big and grind. No love, cause I see. Yeah, that's it.
Boris in the dance. Boris tonight. Boris in the dance. Boris tonight.
I don't know somebody want to come on now. You tell them want to come on now.
Man, you can't stay quiet. I don't segment this.
No, I'm telling you.
Me, look here now. Me tap a chatting now. Me I go run vice now.
Buy the band for them gift there.
When the phone come up. So since me a bad apple, me I go show you say me is not the bad apple. All I was trying to do was to done everything before it reach one level. When if your blood clot reach, because I don't want no relationship.
What's up, come a big man pussy? The big one of your mother. You don't talk to that big man to come down. Maybe one of your big old mother, you fuck up and we get your whole of alkaline in your pussy, old man. Whole of delete ya. Jenny, take down this.
Alright, people, yo, we are going to watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
Come on, man, come on.
Take down that. Every day on the combo, big. Hey, don't think you never care gas school play Marble game. Remember, say stop, Bobby Blue, you're crossing. Maybe I'm on your big fuck out, mother. Leave my place, man. Leave my premises.
You say if you release vice, no shall go talk everything. Alright, you go chat everything to them. Everything me I found to us.
Now, what SD go say more than what he said. He don't say more heat again. And what else could have bad?
And big people come on my life about big body.
Where vice not have to do my evening. You know, so we cover every week and none of them in the comment section and the whole day.
Oh, big body, don't do that.
None in the comment section and the whole day. I must about 10 hours with there. None in the comment section I run up on the mount. Only no blood clot out there.
Stop that. Don't stop one months about the big one. Don't do that. No, no, one.
Nobody care who Diamond Chill know who Chabas
It's
is.
so come on, man. Come on.
Remember, say me know Chabas a long time, you know. Me don't know about Chabas. I saw no stay, man. Leave out of my place. So don't think me just know Chabas when they here. Go on, man.
Let me tell you, you see uno girl paya, uno girl paya no love come over here come make man look bad. Uno girl paya, love come over here come make man look bad. Diamond, you see, all right. One time, you know, a baby was sit down and he father people then. See, and he father must go and the baby must jump and lick her teeth. He come and she have one the most way, bro. See, that before every blood clot thing like kissing and something start. Jelani link me, you know, bro, and I say, yo, my explain himself. And I say, bad man, but at an accident, people can't drop any little thing. Can't happen. Me say, I hold on there before I go up on the live and start in front. Hold on there, I call D. I say, D, the man wasn't there. Nobody go up on there, go like you want on the live, but bring down the man and style the man, bro. You're going to make people like I say, man, lick out the pity teeth. You know when woman look at me and tell me, say, if you go, I'm here pick side with Jelani and him go up and live, go bring down Jelani where I say, brother, that man wasn't there. Baby, I go run baby with job.
So everything alive, then everything have to be alive. You can't just.
Yes, brother, I'm telling him, say, bro, don't go over there go make him man look bad, bro. Nobody carry man for the need to go do them, go style it, bro. You see me? And every day I tell him, say, bro, that's a problem with that. Everything you bring for life, bro. You love life too, bro. It's just a come on people, so boom, lifestyle. Diamond, me sit on your sub, bro. And everyone them can't tell you. See when time they were there, me not start no life at them depend in life, bro. So if me need to look close, would I start my life, bro? Yeah, when they look at me and tell me, say, bro, when me start my life, everybody go cut. Anytime I start my life, bro, they blood clot life drop from 1,200 to all 200.
You want nice girl, them don't know what they need to scam them, because they pretty.
He come on now, bro. Me never grow them and depend blood clot. I feed them life me always. I feed them life always a start, bro. Because me brother, me there. First thing me there location, me not like people know me there, no, bro.
Because anybody can pop up.
You see me, I say, bro, first thing when me there blood clot location, every minute, brother, be a fucking life. Live. That's the thing, I say, bro, your life resolve on the internet. I'm not depend that, bro. I say, see what me bring for the media, I want the media to know. My real life, bro, me don't want the media know my business, know media and everything, bro. Then I'll listen. Alright. I'll be back. Give me a moment. Monster.
Fine. Yo, bro.
Hold on there, bro.
Guys, follow me back up page, just.
Alright, look here now. This are the pop she. This are one.
That was in a business and I read that clothes, look, you know.
Hold on, you know. Look, listen good, you know. Listen. Hold on there, bro. I was trying on the phone, I'll be funny night, man.
Me thought, man, I feel me. Me thought, yeah.
Nah, my fan too big.
Listen here, no listen here.
That was in a business and I read that clothes, look, you know.
But hold on, hold on. I threw the phone about crack up and tap in the bread, tap it, pause the voice. Wait, listen.
Yeah, he broke.
That was in a business and I read
Sure. Hold on.
that was in a business.
Hold on.
Wait, take your time, Jabas. Take your time.
I want to phone that.
Oh, iPhone.
Actually, crap, man.
No, because it have sensor, so you crack the sensor. You have a sensor.
Alright, hold on.
Monster Philip, let's take it from Jamaica.
Hold on, stabilize the monster. Bro, I want to play alone. I don't know what you're fucking for, bro.
But with that hearing good.
Yeah, was in a business in a bread. I clothe me, I look, you know. I clothe me, I blood clot, look. The business I clothe me, I look. I turn it for turn on your life and go and go.
People, and that's why me tell you say, you see TikTok a WWE and TikTok a World War also. Because certain people on TikTok, when them steal out and nothing and go on for them, they just gonna cuss somebody and get back some cloth. But I know everybody can do it because you can jump up and go cuss the wrong person and it turn World War. Them hurt you. You see me I say? Because certain people have the privilege. You see me I say can diss other TikTokers and not no come out of it, but I know everybody have that privilege, so you have to be careful what you do. Make watch some more.
Bring me down. Clothe me, I look. And I see your summer come.
That know me I say, but why Nippy would I do that? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. So from this on now, him start come to me every minute and he must say this and he must say that and he must say this and he must say that. And me just say, no, it is what it is at the end of the day.
But do you look like you didn't like him for true, like you didn't like him?
I never had any problem with him, Jaden. And me, people believe me and my husband actually don't in a no farmer relationship. None of them little thing there again. Yes, where me I come from, Jaden. So I am trying to find somebody for myself. Me I try to find a little bit of peace and a little bit of comfort in a life same way. Me a human being too. When the man come around and the man are genuine and the man are real, of course me I go fall feet and me I go feel like say he was a real guy. Until me get to realize Jaden say he's not and him is just a pussy. You see it? So me start to avoid him. Me not go tell him. Me not go come and say tell the line of Jaden. He wants to me I run him down. Make he say me I run him down then. Make he say me I run him down then. But why is it that? Alright, so for example, Jaden, yeah, Big C or one of your ex-girlfriends.
No, don't call a blood clot brother name.
Alright. So you want Annie did that? So you want Annie did that? So you want Annie did that? We are not alright. So you want Annie did it, right? And say for example, me and your friend and. We go out and probably something just uncomfortable or not feel right here. And as your man, you go to the person, you go say, babes, you know, say, this is man, I don't know if you approach the situation or whatever. Is that chatting your friend? Or is that confiding in your man about a situation where you're uncomfortable in and you reason it out to get like a better understanding or to get like advice? You see where me I come from? Yeah. And then that same man I go say about voice note and I go say about text message to make it look like say you chat people and try to use that against you. That is not even a man, bro. That alone they just show say that man is a bitch and him is nobody, bro.
So when him did their yard and in night.
He never come at me yard yet.
Oh. When me see keep on your him gear?
When the other day?
Yeah.
No, me and Jabas been no in a no. Me and Jabas been in an old friend. Jabas send the bagger. Alright, he have one fine woman named Anna. You see, he send one bag of voice note to Anna and tell Anna, oh, me don't want D. Me don't see no relationship with me and D. And you, me want Anna. A long time me and you come. And me want fix things. Me want me to work because Anna have money and Anna mine him.
You can't mind him, so Muda want Anna.
Mind him. So because, alright, you remember when King did come on live and King said me have some voice note where I go make her. He said me have some voice note where I go make you and the relationship mash up and everybody say I like King I tell. Never no like King I tell. That's when King come up. King send me about 15 voice note with Jabba Sabal over the woman.
Go hear it now.
But they have them in the phone. They'll get them back. Don't worry yourself. I say I want 16 Pro Max. I have now me change over the phone. So you know say everything gone out but I'll get them back. When I get them back, I will send you them. So when I have the ear Jobbers no. Oh, when you post those comments, tell him say me go post them on TikTok so everybody can see say he's a manipulator and a liar and a user. He tell the woman say when he got it after the all white party he do this, you know. He tell the woman say after he got the all white party. He tell the woman say me and him in an all white party and he not try hug me and he not try kiss me. None of me a force up on him. Remember, I know me I got every other party before we hug up, we dance up, we enjoy ourselves. When you come at all white party, me realize say that move weird for sure. But me never know say I try tell the woman say like a woman are sending money back and so now him I go avoid me. Me never know they sitting there Jaden. How me did for know that?
This remind me of something. This remind me of something, you know. This remind me of something like
so it's like the whole time, Jaden, is your woman, Jaden, we're in her frustration because the truth is in a Jaden. Remember good now, you know. Me there something, me I look genuine. Let me I look something genuine. Me actually I look somebody where real and genuine. Jaden, the way all Jabas come out and portray, me and him think pan me that be honest and talk the truth. Anybody at all would feel like say me and Jabas in a one real relationship?
Yeah, would I feel like so now?
Jabas was not telling me off the ear say me and him not there. He never tell me them thing there. He never tell me them thing that Jabas even call me phone the night, Jaden, and I say, babes, me fuck up and me do something what me never did for do. And me say, what you do, Jabas? He said to me, say, me can't tell you what me do, me have to drunk for tell you what me do. And me say, then what you do so, me phone the other one, if you lock off, me go jump. Me I jump on the same live, but on the other phone. So if you lock off, we just come on the other lives, he need the one. He said to me, say, he fuck up. Me say, what you do so, Jaden, me never get the voice note them yet. So me never know where he fuck up with. You see, when me get to hear the voice note them, just because me hear the voice note them, all of a sudden, you know nobody want me. Remember saying no, me hear you know what tell woman say no want me and they little thing they know. Obviously, me I go start avoiding and me I go start move different to do. So because of that now, all of a sudden, Jaden Jabba start create evidence. If me send him one voice note and me feel sad and they sitting there, he start screen record them and have them because use against me for TikTok.
Me do that what day still. Me do that what day still. But why? Boy, I see him thing I go through with me what day. I see him thing I go through right now. The boy.
Look here now, if you don't want me to done, just come off from my life and go and about to no bumble blood clot business. Because me done start talk already. Me done the all about already. When them did over your class, man, I rub me. No, now never tell him fi done. Uno allow me make me talk, brother. Because uno see them been a text set for me and me been a hold me own Jaden.
What do you mean?
You see that to Jaden. The people in the comment section about done. Uno allow me make me talk, man. Me been a hold me own. Jabas drop whole heap of word for me. Jabas come over here cause say, oh, me baga and me careless. And me leave it alone. And when he come over here and he said that, Jabas come over here again. And Jabas class me, no, but he style me for Annie, you know. And me hold it like a G and me no say nothing Jaden. And when Jabas come up, he no stop call me and tell me, oh, he love me and they sitting there. Uno don't know who that.
Mama, one thing, you know. You see you and Diamond, you don't have luck with man, you know.
I just saw you go, brother.
You never find the wrong man, them. I tell you.
I just saw you go, brother. We live and we learn, you see it? We live and we learn. Remember, me never really know much about Jabas, you know, brother. Me never really know much about Jabas, and as me say, me realize when me do wrong, me can't take accountability for it. Me should have did see Jabas and leave him alone. But the truth is, when somebody has show you one thing, Jaden, and you see it, you go work with it until you see otherwise, right or wrong. Right, me never did see otherwise until me hear the voice note them when I send the lady. When me hear them voice note, then now me start pull up my socks, Jaden. You understand? Me start pull up my socks. My honey, and me go fuck. When you realize that me fuck now, that is where the problem started. When you see the icky them on my neck, and that's how the problem starts. Because me go, me and you down there, and me want fuck, me go skin out my hole and me take wood.
So how would you go fuck?
Don't worry yourself about that.
That's why the boy over there's a class, a dirty girl and them things. That's
why I'm a classmate. And him supposed to class. He making class all he want class. But this pum pum never belongs to him. I feel me own. Mine.
But the two will not go on, man. You don't have to fuck or do something, man.
Oh.
You don't have to do something, man. Oh, God, man.
Me and the boy don't do one God thing. Then the kid don't have to do something. No, me and him not do nothing, Jaden. The only thing me and him do is he let me. The only thing me and him do is he
alright, my people. Tell more what you think. We're going to move on to the next.
Tell me if you not go on bookings and give me 25,000, I'll take you back and then I have to borrow 35 grand from me after. That's it. No, you can't get the $5,000. Wait, I'm going to give you the money, but you cannot get this one.
Well, you want lies now insure. Go lies now insure 2 pieces of ply and they go to a blood clot pit in a yard and get to a man pack it. And see if you can get to a bathroom and tap blood clot shit in a bag and zeal it down there so. And that's if you blood clot do. And that's if you go do. Lies now registration and intro and bathroom. So when inspector come in your yard, then see say you have blood clot flushing toilet. Me not talk about blood clot job through toilet. Me have flush toilet if you go do. You know we have to take lies now insure. Blood clot go below and flush toilet push out so when the woman come in can put on in blood clot rest. He can put on in load and post in blood clot letter in a piece. He now feed it with a whole bag and a post blood clot letter. And when he done post letter, I'm a zero we are one part. But you want license and insure. Me say me can have a right to tell you say if you are deal with the mother, deal with the mother. Him no, but him to any them no. Or you or you look at me in the family. Or would you treat me as a stepfather? You can't be nobody's stepfather. You can't be nobody blood clot stepfather. And you don't want to be one bathroom. You don't want one bathroom. You can't be my stepdaddy. Me no wrong blood clot. Joe is always said if you talk to my mother, talk to my mother. If you talk to my mother, talk to my mother. But the stepfather thing, it not go work. It not go blood clot work. It not go work. The stepfather thing not go work. But you want license and insure woman car and drive out here when the woman want to call you. I feel money by. I feel money by. I feel 1 pint by. I feel 1 pint by. Move your blood clot and go work for you and buy for your car. When you buy for your own and go license and insure it, move your pussy hole and go. Next for the blood clot, this is not an ambition one. This is not an ambition one. My big father God protect this little girl. You know. This is not an ambition, blood clot girl. You know. This is not an ambition, blood clot, big forehead. Me don't know you ugly so, you know. Me don't know you ugly so. Me don't want to judge nobody but you ugly now, blood clot and disgusting. That's what me have to deal with you right now. That's what me have to deal with you right now. I'm going to talk to a man so, you know, but me have to deal with this right now. Chanel in on the yard. Chanel in on the yard. Chanel in on the yard. Blood clot, Marga chingy Chanel in on the yard. Marga chingy Chanel in on the yard. Eh? Blood clot chingy Chanel in on the yard. Marga looking sitting. Scoliosis, blood clot girl in on the yard. You know on the yard. Me say if you're on the yard. Every day you sit down and I promise your box, I promise your kick, I promise your blood clot. Like, you don't know if you go for yourself. Look at girl, you can't come out of people and family and go have ambition. You can't take your separate your blood clot self and child fight. Your mother, you know. Your mother, Twinkle, Jada. One twinkle on the blood clot up. Anyways, Chanel, stringy blood clot Chanel. Stringy blood clot Chanel in the yard. No ambition. Every day you make Annie promise your blood clot box and lick. Like him skin out the hospital and have you. Eh? Every day you sit down in Annie blood clot 2 for 1, blood clot boardhouse. And make them the style you go and style you come. Then tell you say you can't cook. Then tell you say rice tough. He promise your box. He promise your kick. And your baby father just stand up there and watch it. Your baby father just stand up there and blood clot watch it. Your baby father just stand up there and watch it. So they'll find somewhere go. Find a little one room rent for 25,000 or a little 18,000. Find somewhere rent your blood clot. And that's what you do. And stop sitting in there and somebody make them class. You go on class, you come. Focus on your pit there where you have. Because me here, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put your hand across your face and left fingernail in your face. So for your face and your face. In Chanel, for your face and your face. No. For your face and your blood clot for your Chanel. If your man Jaden need a life and Jaden had blood clot, do you think he would have gone to? You think he would have gone to? But you and them can promise your box and kick and thump and step in your blood clot head and nothing come out of it. And you slug there and laugh with them and you squeeze up yourself in a car anytime it go away. Chanel, you're not no shame. You're not no blood. You're not no shame. You're not no shame. You're not no shame. You're not no pussy clot shame. Eh? You're not no shame. You're not no shame. You're not no blood clot shame, look at girl. You're not no shame. You're not no shame. Eh? You're not no shame. You're not no blood clot shame. In Chanel, you're not no shame. You're not no shame. You're not no family. You don't have no blood clot shame. Eh? You don't have no shame. You don't have no blood clot shame. Eh? Blood clot to come over here every day in a Hans family. Tate. You have blood clot, tate, find some rent and come out to people in life. You and tate find some rent. You when I said to you last night, you got prayed off your hand in your face. So Chanel for your face and identity face. You don't want your face to cute up yourself and stamp yourself and look nice. Eh? And your mama. You must see blood clot, tate tail. You must see blood clot, tate tail. Eh? Before you go one side and take your two pit in them and focus by
Alright, my people, so as we say, I run through this as quick as possible. So tell me what you think, we'll watch some more.
yourself and ask blood clot God to bless you. And ask God and type put your problem them into prayer. Before you try put your problem them into blood clot prayer. Yeah, they say over them and in the class, you tell you how you old big for your old and big and tell you how you rise tough for your rise and tough. Class, you go in class, you come and you sit down and laugh with that. Eh? And you sit down and laugh with it, and then you come and come turn on like, but chat beg you one way, beg you your blood clot, beg you your pussy clot, beg you what, beg you what, beg your blood clot, what? Beg you what? Eh? Where you beg? Where you blood clot beg? Eh? Where you beg? Where you beg? I saw me if you find out where you rent one room, one blood clot, one room. I don't have to go find out and put your pit them in there. And Lord, touch you if you do what you want to do. And focus by yourself. Why it don't really matter why you want to add the. Because if anybody else add the and then I promise them boxing on them face and mash up and broke up. Because how much time blood clot there and you cuss on Jaden and I hear me promise Jaden boxing on them face and lick and cut up. Eh? Find one studio rent man or something man, I find one local place rent man. Find one local place rent man. I ask the people them to buy some blood clot pliers or something and you build up one cottage and go and stay in there. Yeah, you're picking them. Cause you're going like, you come like Chanel family turning back on it. Like Chanel not have the family. Like Chanel look a family when they have in this up them. So in can't go back to your family. So if you just stand and take all disrespect. If you just stand and take all blood clot disrespect. If you stay and take all blood clot disrespect. And that's what you have to do, you know. If you stay and take all blood clot disrespect. And that's what you have to turn and do. He have to turn and take all blood clot disrespect. That he have to turn and do. So in can't go nowhere. In can't go back to film family them we have film original family them, film mother people them, film father people them. In can't go back over there. Cause in style them and this them for Ant's family. And when Ant's family don't tap slaughter and blood clot, promise him be a box and kick, thumper and Chanel, we not try to come bounty people man say if I get 1 5 ply. How much ply will you want one room? About 10. You work so hard and buy bed Tajay fuck out it. You work hard and buy bed Tajay fuck out it. Then use you go, then use you come. Then use you go, then use your blood clot come. Then use your go, then use your come. Then use your go, then use your blood clot come. Dirty junkie TikTok police boy want license and insure a woman car. Bright. Blood clot. King Wowell want bleach and look good boy must tie Sicily. Eh? Look on blood clot king them when yam belly for your blood clot living when yam toe heel back and everywhere. Pan you. You know see king of blood clot cannibal. But king and yam pan human body I wanna make it. I wanna discover blood clot yet king and yam pan human body. Cause I say go they go fuck and come back and sing in their face. So you yam everything. Don't go like you want style Sicily. Don't go like you want blood clot style Sicily. But Sicily in a court or Sicily maga and figure yam. At least a food man yam say it can take processing and get fat. A blood clot belly and yam. You know see a belly and yam. Move your blood clot vibes cartel 2.0. Boy your bore nose. And a bleach out and a try get to an image. After you done turn on education and say baby mother you pit there one of you. Leave your own a pit there now and blood clot chat to you. Leave your own a blood clot pit there now and chat to you. Stinking king. You know see a baby mother you pit there one left you. You know see, hey boy, he's a fascist. He's off a blood clot twist because you see, boy, you soon youth, and that's why I see why she's so paranoid in a dog. And that's why I see why she's so paranoid. Because look, boy, you see back then, when you whole on a jump and say, you know, you in a big pussy king. Back then, you know, the whole of them boy they jump and I say, me say king fan king and shade them. Yeah, man, Swiss, yeah, man, world dog, yeah, man, Swiss, yeah, man, world dog, see ya, yeah, man, Swiss, yeah, man, and you jump higher than the blood clot girl with the cheerleading. You jump higher than the girl with the cheerleading. I know, see there. You go like you want to style him and that. That's why I see why man so paranoid that and no rate no for the youth. That's why I see why man so paranoid and no rate blood clots from man. That's why I see why man paranoid that and no rate no for the dog. As a rebel say man for lose some man for suffer youth. A man for lose some man for suffer dog and they help you from first. And they help you from first youth. And when people are helping you, say people are pussy. Because nothing them man they help you with big pussy boy. And nothing them man they do for you. Nothing them man they say if you come and style them and go like you want. You even can't this blood clot somebody intelligent. That's why I use blood clot big word. You don't even know word. You don't even know blood clot word for use. You don't even know word for use. You don't even know blood clot word.
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch some more and then move on to the next.
For use. But you tell these people intelligently. Move your nyam belly, nyam fuck blood clot, nyam heel back, nyam toe, nyam body, nyam everything. You are only blood clot man cannibal. You know, see, I only man cannibal. Me say, why you don't nyam for human body, I want to make it king. Move your blood clot and go. Move! Who again there in my blood clot book? Who again there in my book? Who me have so? Jabas and D. Jabas and blood clot D. Jabas and blood clot D car. More know who for tongue and who for tongue. And who get rejection. And who are this and who are that. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Part of our share like this a case I had to sit up on a book from man, you know. Me dear. Oi! Part of our share like. Cause this a case about no blood clot. This a case about like a 10 fireside. But upon shape like they're gonna sound like they're gonna sound blood clot likes. They're gonna sound lights.
Whatever to call the baby Ash, you will be the big. Somebody have to be a bigger person, you know. Somebody has to be the bigger person. Take me watch you no right through, you know, 4 me have, you know. As one dead me on, you know, enough time me now no comment, me now no war all yesterday me in a it. I'm just a listen, no. When me come out of fear, me going to fear with me fake page. Cause she block me page them and me a listen them. Me could have said things, me not say nothing. I just wait there when she call her father name now. When me know say poor for your father, Almighty God, if I fear daddy could have catch her that did a million time already and she not even know. You understand me? But so, like the thing, me can't me could have social media, you know? We could have done social media, you know that. Me and my house can do social media and me and my car can go in and go sit down, me can go road. We could have done social media. But I'm just not that person. That's why when you send on the message and you say low because she have a drag me just low it. And me could have not listen to you, you know, me could have continue. Because me know the truth. And me advise, because Edwin have took up phone and defend himself. So me advise to him. I know him innocent to what they must say. Edwin's not that person. Edwin love pick me. They can send me. That's why I tell them, send go where Edwin born and go and never left this yet.
Mommy, listen, me can't manage the church talk right now. Because if me did listen to you from morning, from 2022 to now, me that have she a job, me I don't up my mouth.
I'm not stopping you from do what you are doing, but take the child out of it. The child
accurate. Mother, you are accurate. But if she don't take my princess.
Listen, princess is 16 years old, so 17. Sure is a baby, 5 years old. This month or soon 5. Take sure out of it, Sky. Sure a baby. Make she do what she want to do and say what she want to say. Be the bigger person. Take the baby. I'm sure a baby.
Mommy, you know see the thing that she say about princess?
You know not go so call me that me she live with. I mean she go to bed with, I mean she wake up with. I mean know everything about her. So that now go trouble me. That now do nothing to me more. Me say them if you just stop call her name and if they continue till the next year and a half or 2 years, she will come for herself. Just take the girl, take the bitch pick me out tight. Me not call him no girl, kind of deserve no girl. Take the bitch pick me out tight. Cuss the bitch as I like. Just take the baby out tight. Sure is a baby. She's just 5 years old. Make she class and do what she wants. Somebody have to be a bigger person, you know. Oh, me see you do her yesterday. I want to tell you she quarter. I want to tell me I text you. And I said to you, Sky, how look at them I try to set you up so. Oh, then silence say, because I don't know what she said to you. Enough is enough now. Loud that girl there. You kill that girl a million times and rising back. But that's how you go wrong. You always kill her and you always rise her back. That don't make sense. Done with she. I know she put food in her ear pot. I sure know that. Because she ear pot ear. It don't make no friggin' sense. That's loud. Done it. You can't done it. Done it, man.
Mommy, I think about it, mommy. But if she go live and call Princess name, I can't promise you, so I'm not going to call sure name. I cannot promise you, so I'm not going to call sure name if you call my princess name.
RT boss, she actually look back up from
RT boss, go away, mommy. Me no business with none of them part me, that me can manage all of them. Me can manage all of them because me's that girl in real life. So I know me can manage all of the wannabe them where I come to me on media. The RT boss can walk in on the size 5. And I got a back, got a front, got a side, him can't sprinkle no island for me. So I'm not afraid of them. And mom, you know me, when it come on to my parents and my kids, me not run joke. Me's a mad girl.
Let me say something to you. You know, see how they do Ivan, so see them have to let go Ivan shirt now. They bring Ivan, they go, they bring her come, they bring her side way, they bring her low way, high way, front way, back way, them have to let go Ivan shirt now.
Alright, mommy. Can't manage your preaching right now. Me get it. Me done. Go leave sure alone. Me done.
Yeah, man, sure innocent. God.
But me not promise you say me done, you know, me just say me done, so you can't done, me done.
We never to our judgment when sure reach certain age and start to see she big pussy and she this and she that, leave that time they come for she because she have her judgment to face. Leave she. Everything what she do. Right now on the internet, you cannot rub out. Not what you want to do can't rub out. No video, no picture what she have up there, you can't rub out. It always a go there. And sure I will come see it. You understand? So sure I have a lot of questions to ask her. So many questions to ask her. You understand? So just loud share to time. At time you not look at cheese. You know see how quick cheese come and reach up and she the Ivan, I bring down Ivan, no one do the things, the man do the most, and she bring down Dana, she say the most thing, and I come and reach her.
Mommy, me not understand all the body that know you're on the media, know everybody on the media business.
Me know everybody business, but me know the positive people them. Me know the positive people. A certain people me watch, you know, me watch TikTok liar because TikTok liar always a preach positives. I remember them TikTok liar to the ground. Me still watch her because me like how she talk. Or when them I say she ugly and she this, that, no, have nothing to do because I got make people or they want make people. Me love how she talk. She always a push positive. You understand me? Me one at a time, me never did a go against Auntie Dan, but when me listen back to Auntie Dan, me realize she a preach the positive because me never did love the war between Auntie Dan and Rosalie and the Pitney. But me understand, me go back again, me watch the scream record, me watch everything and me understand why she have to do what she do. You understand? A positive people me watch now, you know. I think Ivan me not to watch again. And when you miss she and King, I go on with themselves and I know your bestie, I me not to watch her again. And I did my world one time. Me not watch people. Now me kinda like Annie again, cause me like Annie look baga.
No.
Alright, people. I want to tell more one thing. You see, because she are not the first person we are going to make our youth them live with other people. You see, maybe she love the free and the thing where she not have no responsibility, but me know say she love her youth them. But some woman like them not ready for have picnic yet, so that's why them kinda You know what I mean? Make other people keep them picnic. You see, people who really want to be a mother, want to be a father, them are gonna have them picnic at them foot. But at the end of the day, maybe the youth are get grow. You know what I mean? Them are get deal with the right way. So the mother don't really have to, you see me? So me don't know. Tell more the thing, my people. Tell more the thing in the comment.
To me, you know, everybody business, you know more than me, you know.
TikTok police. I hear me get this like TikTok police. I don't know. Me just get this like him. You see, Jaden, me don't love what Jaden again. Me know everybody business we're up there. Everybody, donkey, everybody.
Who's your donkey? Oh, yes.
Yeah, donkey. Me watch everybody watching. And some people me even used to when me don't know. Me watch them, listen them. And then I'll say what me I say me gone through. But what me I say, let go Shay no man. Let him go make him go on. Let him go. Cause you kill Shay too much time for rise back, Shay. You kill Shay too much time for rise back, Shay. Just be the bigger person. Be the bigger person and see how it play out.
Alright, mommy, may I listen to you? Me done.
No man, just be the bigger person. Yeah, TikTok liar and down and the whole of the down a big woman. The TikTok liar, big woman, and them the big woman that you feel power with. You respect them, really respect you. And you do positive thing and Lego certain thing. Lego sharing baga no man. Too much of that. Too much of that. You did have one friend on TikTok where you always call sister. Where's she name?
I mean, always I call sister.
Yeah, man. You always say sister this or sister that. That long time I hear you say so.
Sister? Who me call sister but liar? Who else me call sister on the app?
But man, I'm not liar. You call somebody else sister. Somebody else. I think the person they come at Jamaica. That person they come at Jamaica and they want to meet me. I never go.
Oh, me know what we are talk. She dead here.
Oh,
so I
love meet people. I love meet people.
She dead here. Alright, mommy, love you. May I listen to you?
Yesterday I call you, text you. We see I decline you. Call you, text you. You go on bad. You see say you win. You're not done, man. You just see you kill Shay. You make Shay speechless.
Alright, mommy,
Bye.
Yes, listen.
Cussy girl, he come to come cussy and the girl couldn't even up me mouth. I don't know like I'm gonna go certain things, but I'm like everything do know, but you can't go easy. I'm gonna love cuss, me love fight. But
mommy, me love fight too. What you me can't do better make miracles. Can't do better.
Low short, sure. Just low, Lego sure baby, Lego sure innocent, Lego sure.
Alright, mommy, me done.
Be that person, remember, be. And if never see you going back and show them your cuss, you know. You call and cuss you, because you not listen to me. If you listen to me, you can't too big to learn and listen to your parents.
Okay.
Like, let's do different things. I call me later, me I have something to talk about.
Alright, I call you later, love you.
Alright, okay.
Yeah. So Shay, can you tell me about my daughter?
Everything on TikTok.
My mother know a whole TikTok business and more than me, my love. I try to come from good family, because my family always a beg me for done when me a war with people. Always. My family always a call down my phone and make it look like me a bad person and tell me for done. All my curry kind of burn a little bit. That's why I can't manage TikTok, you know. Yeah, I don't cook, you know. I don't run joke with my little girl, you know. I chew mommy step it down. Because 62 days, I plan to go on 62 nights.
You know, call your pitney name again, as well as everything we are going on, she said.
Oh, mother, say me for done, but Auntie Dana, everybody on social media, I like to listen to my mother, but if she call Princess name, I don't know how that I go come down.
If I follow them back now, it's easier for me block them. Because be that through the other page I have in my other phone, so I can add him. The other page on the other phone, so I can add him, but that one I know. I want to know in another phone. I can go away my blood clot. Go argument. I look with blood clot people. I argue with blood clot him. Yeah, in another phone then. The page in another phone, so the other page I can use a phone and block them. But that page I can't block them for that page.
That page I can another phone.
Just like in this salon phone. But the other page now, I can't use that phone. Because I block him and I have another page, I can block him off on the other page, you know. I don't say one of them block him off yet. I mean, add him.
Auntie Dan never hear nothing go say yet?
What? Woman.
The mad girl of Belgium say me mother and my mother. So who me just talk to?
Here you know.
Lord Jesus.
So Rosalie joined the chat with people, make we listen and hear Rosalie have to say. You know what I mean? Because everybody up here saying about people. And Shay no good no that all, you know. Look at hear what them have to say.
Jesus Christ. So wait there. If the woman I know my mother, that means a little girl I know my daughter. She delusional because she can't call the man looking shit for me scream and talk to her JR. Because JR down in the right now JR supposed to under bed come here so where I go on down there. I call my friend and me have to hang up here be a gunshot in her background. So me now ask him, I tell her say right now Shade up on the live across me and JR under the bed. JR under the bed right now. Mommy, where are you? Send for me please, mommy. Me want to come a foreign. Me tired of this. Man, I ask the JR under the bed.
It come like say you call it Ed. Shut up for you right now. I go to jail out there for your blood clot shot. And the young boy there, let me tell you this. That's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's no joke. Them the young boy there in a garrison. As them reach 12, 13, 14 and them start to gun, big man I give them gun for a lock. And them kill quick. So I laugh like I think it's a joke.
No, I choose sing Rosalie. I choose sing your talk. But my friend tell me say I be a gunshot a bus round there. So me know JR under the bed and she sit down on the piss up couch.
You know under the blood clot bed. Them the young people 13, 14, 15 and them they can't kill quick. And them quick for murder at any given time. Them don't even care.
I hear the next thing. I hear the next thing to where she say liar. Me not have no limit. Oh, me put up our whole family, our mother, our son, no, she put up my daughter first. And my mother and my father, me decide say me a stoop to our level this time.
What you say?
Oh, me put up me not have no limit.
You don't have no what?
Limit. What she mean by that?
Say that man lie.
She lie. Right now. God, Jesus Christ.
You thief.
Ask the people them over your chat because they over there. Before you come over there, you no lie. No lie, the girl over there complain, oh, me put up her mother and her pitney and this. She put up my mother first. I'm return her favor because her mama ugly. She never post no girl mother. Every transgender pan TikTok look better than her mother. More.
Blood clotted.
She not tell no lie.
No limit.
She me not no limit. And answer the lady pan the phone and know my mother.
How are the bumbo pussy?
Me post her mother and her father. Me want to know if something wrong with that mad girl. Me want to know if she not delusional.
She's very delulu. If she said that, she delulu bad.
She delusional.
Me say me hear some things come out of shame mouth the other night, but Shanta and Princess, and me say bad to bad. Me never hear Sky talk with your daughter no derogatory way.
Guys, share live in the group them.
Me say no.
The further we go, I tell her go look for your picture she give it.
And that alone hurt her.
That's alone.
Alone hurt her.
But she hurt and she were at the facility.
When the world is in trouble, one thing I can tell her for say to her, say, I'm going to eat her anytime and every time. Go look for your picture where you give it.
I remember saying the thing where I tell her not Rosalie, we say Shanta, Barbar, yo, that makes shame mad.
When you bring, listen up.
One line.
The girl mad.
She said she was a 3, then she said she a 4. She don't know the picnic age. She don't know the child age.
Why you look, you go too deep. She don't know no, that child is an error.
You know, see, me could have called my mother today and said, Mommy, give Princess a phone. She can't call nobody and say,
She love to project. She love to project, you know. So the things them was she would call people for tell life here. She thinks that everybody and her the same thing.
Rosalie, look for my granddaughter. Let me show you my granddaughter. See her, look here. She born there. Look here.
Shanta, you good? Shanta, you good? Shanta, you good? Say you can't do that. Shanta, you good?
I shall leave that to
I saw me like when pretty active.
I scissors and a pick up pepper. She have in her.
No, when Rosalie got a night, them man, me say TikTok mash up.
Shanta, you good? Shanta, you good? Shanta, you good?
And then Shanta, she don't use your answer.
Okay. Shanta, you good? Watch hand movement. Watch hand movement.
This crazy, the girl mad.
Something wrong with a girl here. Hear that comment here, wait. I'm going to continue to hear that comment here. Wait there. I shame man that all this time I may think is a man that Rosa no sir.
I shame mad and she a post every girl mad upon TikTok. And every transgender beat shame mad. All the one them will just come out. All the new one them I already me pass one and me I say, you know that one that transgender here kind of close looking to Shay mother, but you know she pretty, that transgender you pretty and look more feminine and girly.
Rose, Rose, conscious say Sky look like lizard.